Chanel was walking along, heard a bunch of buzzing. We think we've discovered a hive inside a tree stump.
Yep.
Can we switch and I can hold the camera, the flashlight, and you can get this? Chanel?
Okay.
I think you'll be better at it. That's what I was thinking from the start. Here, put it in my hand. Okay, come get this. Can you see it in there? Grab it. Don't put your hand in front of it. Can you see it?
Okay, I gotta focus on it. Where is it?
Yeah, focus in more. There it is. Whoa. Come out. You got it too blurry. Come more out. Out, out, out. You're taking too long. What the?
Okay, come on.
Kind of get closer with it if you can. You don't take it off, you know. Just lean forward. Now you gotta read.
Okay.
Okay. Good. You okay? You're not afraid? Can you get closer? Just go straight forward like that, see? You seen them going in the hole? Go on the hole where they're going in.
Yeah, I see that.
Is that pretty good lighting?
Yeah, kind of. It's got a shadow right over them though.
Okay, hold on. Let me try showing you from a different spot.
Okay.
You're in a good spot.
Whoa, there's a bee right by me.
How's that?
That's good.
Does that give you a better view? Okay. Let's get out of here. That's good enough. We don't want to disturb them too much. If they start sensing we're intruding, they could come after us so quick. Did you stop the recording?
Okay, bye.